Hey everybody, let me show you how easy it is to copy a design using OpenBOM. I've got a product design here, Gearbox Reducer 1, stored in OpenBOM design. And I want to make a copy of it for another product at my company. I'm going to call it Gearbox Reducer 2. I've created a second design space. It's as easy as copying that file location on my local disk and using OpenBOM's Workspace Manager to synchronize that to the design. So I've got the data all synchronized, it's stored in the cloud. Got that second design. Open it in my CAD system. Here I'm using Creo. Very important to repart number it because that first design is already in OpenBOM with those part numbers. So I use OpenBOM's generate part number. I specify where I want to get the part numbers from and go through all that part numbering done automatically for you. Click the BOM button, confirm, and OpenBOM will generate a digital bill of material for this new product design based on the new part numbering. And here you can see we're generating all the neutral files, PDFs, steps, STLs, and all those things that you may need as part of your product design. So once that is done, we can view it, as I said, we view it as a digital multi-level BOM, contains all the step files, STLs and things. In my case, I generated some PDFs of the associated drawings. And then finally, since it's a citizen of OpenBOM, I get all the benefits of where used, graph navigation, and all the other things that make OpenBOM valuable to me as I'm managing my designs. So that is managing multiple designs and make-froms in OpenBOM using OpenBOM's designs. So enjoy.